Hey everybody, it's Tony B of Valley Pressure Washing here. I just thought I would take some time to make this video to let you guys know about something that I just learned about. I had a client reach out to me last week for a quote to have his roof cleaned. His homeowner's insurance company was going to cancel his policy because the roof had grown algae and lichen on it, and that stuff does affect the integrity of your roof, and it can cause it to prematurely need to be replaced. Insurance policies can be canceled for stuff like this, and don't wait until it's too late. Don't let it happen to you. So this video is basically me just cleaning his roof. Here I use what's called Softwashing. It's a low pressure cleaning technique where I use a soap solution to clean everything up. And what that does is it kills all the algae, all the lichen. It soaks into that concrete or into whatever type of roof you have, and it prevents it also from coming back for longer. So like I said, don't wait. Don't let this happen to you. Obviously you don't want to have to replace your roof. It's expensive and it's a pain in the neck. So this is a very cost-effective and efficient way to extend the lifespan of your roof, avoid any problems with your insurance companies, and keep your house looking great. All in all, at the end of the day, I finished this roof up and I was very, very happy with how it came out. It looks very good. It looks almost like brand new, and it was just super satisfying to do. So like I said, don't wait until this happens to you. Watch through to the end of the video. You'll see my phone number and contact info there. Give me a call, text me, go to my website, and let's get you set up. Thank you.